quiet meal here. Welcome back, a new day and a new ride. I'm just quickly gonna fill up my water. Today I have a route of 3 hours almost, so it's not the biggest. I will ride the Daluis Gorges again. Can I just say that I'm really pleased with the setup. I may be a little bit heavy this trip, but after a few days I got used to it, and yeah, I might reconsider doing the off-road part. At the end of this day, Col de la Lombarde is on the schedule. Now, I'm not sure if that is a paved or an off-road pass, but I will just ride up to see how it goes, and then yeah, I mean, we can always turn back, right? Easier said than done in a hairpin with loose gravel. Sorry, random thoughts. Why do I have rawhide in my mind? Rode them up. Rawhide. Oh, that was a good start. It's so cool, huh? The tunnels here. Oh man, you gotta love it. And that red color is so insane. The road is not in the best condition, but oh, okay, I'm already liking this. How come I've missed this last time I was here? What? This must be the old pass, maybe? Oh, this is of the rains last night, I think. That makes sense, because if you looked at what was already in the gorge's water, it was all gray instead of turquoise blue. So yeah. That is amazing. I think this is a nice bit for me to stop. Okay, every time I stop, I need to drink. Now let's go down to the beginning or the end, depending on which side you are entering. Riding back up again, which is not a punishment, I can tell you that. Tête la femme? Was it Tête la femme? I stood here yesterday as well. Oh. How cool would it be if you have like the is that a FPV drone with the goggles and then go right through the gorges here? Oh, that would be sick content. Maybe for another lifetime. As I've already got so much stuff going on. Oh, you can also do too much, you know. I think I found the right balance, for me at least, now. With the amount of cameras and angles and yeah. Alright, time to be leaving. Otherwise I'll be stuck here in a couple of hours, so. Okay. Gorges de Daluis. Up here is lacets. That was the word for hairpins. That's why Lacets de Montpellier is called like that. Now, spoiler alert, I will be riding there. And for those who haven't heard of it, please look it up. It is such a gem. Ah, this is the small bridge. Yeah, I've seen this. That's cool. Amazing what a cup of coffee can do for you. Fun fact, I only started drinking coffee last year. And just sitting there in the shade and feeling that wind blow past you, oh man. For me, that is one of those really typical holiday feelings. No rush, no nothing, just sitting there. Now, recently I've been listening a lot to Novo Amor, which is, I don't know what it is, it's just such peaceful music. It's really a shame that I cannot use music like this for under my YouTube videos, but yeah, just look it up. It's really nice, cinematic almost, and I think if you like mellow music, then this is your thing.
I did found something similar that I could use freely.
your file, yeah, because this unit is getting pretty hot. This M30 road, I didn't think it would be this incredible. I thought it was gonna be all forest, but it's like gorge all the way down and like little tunnels and Col de la Bonette, which I will definitely be riding, but not today. That was one of the, oh man, I'm getting chuffed. But the Col de la Bonette is just so incredibly magic. That's the only word I have. I don't know how to explain. It's just incredible to me that non-materialistic things like this can have such a big influence on your mood and how you are feeling. Now, of course, Novo Amor in my ears isn't helping because it's really melodic and really, in a good way, dramatic music, but it's like I'm taking it all in and just I'm so grateful that I get to call this my work and that I'm able to be on the road for 2 months and have a supportive partner who all agrees with it, which is really important. Damn, that Col de la Bonette really triggered me. Cannot wait to go back. Yep, mountains are magic. One of the few females I have seen, at least riding their own bike. I don't know if that's like not a thing. Also in Italy, well, Italy was a bit more, but here in France, I don't see it. It's not that common, I think. Yay, another woman or a guy with long hair. Also possible. I've made that mistake many times. And I think a lot of guys too. Oh, that they're like, oh yeah, good looking woman. And then a guy takes off his helmet. Be honest, how many of you guys have had that situation? It's getting prettier by the minute. Whew. Well, okay. This is it. Snack. I love a good snack. It's really, really windy up here. So I hope you can hear me. But I am going for a bite. Oh, it looks incredible here. Insane. Look at that. And I've just crossed the border with Italy. I think I will go a little bit more down there. See if I can find a nice spot to spend the night. I want to quit a bit more early than yesterday. So I think that should be fairly doable. I might need a little bit of time to finish this. Wind is picking up. if you heard that. I'm trying to get my mic to the crickets, but that's harder than you think. Okay, I will go to the Italian side. I need to go back to Isola anyway, but I will just go down the other side, see what the fuzz is all about. Whoa, it's 2:30 already. That means I've been here for quite some time. But yeah, I mean, look at it. It's beautiful. Now I know there is a alternative road left of me, which is off-road, but I don't know. I don't think I should be doing it. I'm already hesitating, and from my experience, that is not the way to go. Let's see where I can turn around, because I don't want to be too late on the campsite, because some time off and a little bit of relaxing would be okay too. But it sure is pretty. Let's go a little bit more down. I'm sweating. It's 20 degrees, but where I was sitting, it's like almost no wind. And oh man, that sun. I've been longing for the sun, with just being able to sit in it without floating away. And that was possible here, so that was really, really nice. It's already 4 o'clock. I should really get down now. Unless there's a campsite here somewhere, but I don't think so. Oh, I see a Peugeot 205. For me, that is such an iconic car. We had one when I was little, and I would love to have a 205 turbo. But they are pricey nowadays. It's insane. If there is something around here, I don't think so. Camping. Because tomorrow morning, L'Étoile, I think I saw this one. It's like a camper spot, but they made it into a camping. I'll just go to this one right in Isola. Riding for free. almost. I am finally sitting down. I have been sitting all day, but this is different. I have a croque monsieur and I arrived here about an hour ago, I think, and yeah, set up camp. How am I gonna eat this? How did I manage to make a 3-hour ride into a 8 to 6 day? I don't even know. Emotions going through the roof. And tomorrow I will be riding the Bonette, I think. I have to double check, but I think Bonette, and then a little bit of off-road, which should be very easy, and it's like one curve. The sun is almost setting behind the mountain. Thank you for joining in again, and I'll see you soon.